Hello everyone. So in this video I'll show you how to draw Sushant Singh Rajput. This is the portrait I've drawn. The tools required are 4H pencil, H pencil, 3B pencil and 8B pencil plus a white charcoal pencil. So for making the portrait, the first step which I do is make a grid. A grid has same length and same breadth, which is of 1 inches, which I'm using is 1 inch length and 1 inch breadth. So the length total is 8 inches and the breadth or the height is 10 inches. So you have to make a grid which is 8 inches in length and height is 10 inches. So as you can see, I have made the lines. The height is 10 inches and the length is 8 inches. You have to make the blocks, which we call a grid. A grid is made to make the drawing perfect in size and shape. The shape comes perfect. So now I have started to make the eyebrows and then the nose. So this is the left eye which I am making. After this I'll draw the right eyebrows and then the right eyes. As you can see, I'm using a grid made portrait reference pic. The reference pic is of the grid. Now I'm making the hair and these are the cheeks and the lips. As you know, it will be very easy to find the shape if you work on a grid, because a grid is like a map and you can easily focus where the exact lines of the sketch start and where it ends. After making the grid, I will just erase the grid after making the sketch. These are the rough lines I am making. It is not very perfect because we are just making the rough idea where the actual sketch should stand. So now almost the after I make the sketch rough idea, now I am making the fair, which a clutch pencil. A clutch pencil is used to make the perfect shapes of the lines of the sketch. As you see, I am darkening the lines. This is very necessary to get an exact line of the sketch. You can also call it the boundary of the sketch. So now that I have made the sketch, the rough boundary and the dark boundaries, now I'll just erase the grid lines. As you can see, I'm using the eraser only where the lines are. I do not want to use the eraser all over the surface of the sketch. Now I'm using the white charcoal pencil on the areas which are on highlight, like the eyes, the nose, the teeth, and also on the forehead. Wherever there is a white mark, I am using it. So this is the 4H pencil I'm using. The use of the 4H pencil is to give a base tone of the face. The tone of the face is very light in color. I'm already using gray sheet. So as you can see, I've made all the places where I want to highlight with a white charcoal pencil. Now I am using a 4H pencil again to darken the very light surface of the skin. For blending, I use my hands. You can also use a tissue paper if you don't want to get dirty your fingers. So now I am making the parts of the t-shirt and the neck of the portrait. This is very important, but we make the neck after we complete the face because we don't want to get dirty the neck, the nose region and the neck region. Now this is a 3B pencil I'm using. This is for getting the darker areas of the sketch, which is mainly on the eyes, the eyebrows, between the eyebrows and eyelids. This is the second layer we are adding. The first was which with the 4H pencil and H pencil. The second is with 3B pencil. I am just making the rough drawing of the hair with the 3B pencil. After this I will use one more layer with the 8B pencil. So I have used this pencil all over the face and the lips and the beard wherever I wanted. I had to make the dark areas. I used 3B pencil there. After this, the next step will be smudging with blending tool. This is a blending stump which is easily available in Amazon. Now I'm using the darker portion of the hair and I'm using 8B pencil for it. You can use 8B Staedtler pencil or double E Staedtler pencil or a dark soft charcoal pencil for this. Just keep in mind that you have to make the portrait and the hair of the portrait very dark. It should be really dark. Now I'm using the eyebrows also because the eyebrows of the portrait is also very dark. Now this is the 8B pencil which I'm using, and you have to use it very wisely. You don't have to use it all over, just use it in the hair, the eyebrows, the eyelids and the eye portion. Now once again for the t-shirt I will have to use a white charcoal pencil because the t-shirt is white in color. So this is the white charcoal I'm using, and after using the white charcoal you have to just smudge it. This is the blending tool I'm using, and I smudged the t-shirt of Sushant Singh Rajput. For neck region, I've used 3B pencil. So the portrait is most probably completed. Thanks for watching guys. Come again. Take care. Bye bye.